Setting up a ControlByWeb device requires assigning an IP address. In this video, we'll show you how to do that while using Windows 10. Before you begin, connect your ControlByWeb device to your computer with an Ethernet cable. You'll need an available IP address from your network administrator. The easiest way to do this is to temporarily change the IP address of your computer to establish communication with the connected ControlByWeb device. Once they're communicating, you can assign the new IP address to the ControlByWeb device and restore your computer settings. First, open the control panel on your Windows 10 computer. Click on the magnifying glass next to the Windows logo in the bottom left corner and type Control Panel. You'll see the control panel in the search results. Click to open. Find and select the Network and Internet link. Now, select Network and Sharing Center. Next, select the Change Adapter Settings link in the left sidebar. Right-click on the Ethernet network and click Properties. You'll see a list of properties with check boxes. Find the IPv4 property and double-click. Here you'll find the IP address for your computer. Make note of these current settings so you can restore them later. Change your computer's IP address to 192.168.1.50 and your subnet to 255.255.255.0. Now you can communicate directly with your ControlByWeb device. Open your favorite internet browser and type in the following address starting with the default IP, 192.168.1.2/setup.html. Enter the default username and password in the fields provided. Visit the network page under General Settings to assign the new fixed IP address to your ControlByWeb device. This IP address needs to be available on your network and should come from your network administrator if you have one. Once you've changed the IP address on your ControlByWeb device, you need to restore your computer's network settings. Simply repeat the previous steps to access your computer's Ethernet network settings and restore them to their previous state. You can now access your ControlByWeb device by visiting the new IP address. To change its settings, remember to add /setup.html after the IP address. Thanks for watching. If you follow these directions and still have questions, contact our technical support team by emailing support@controlbyweb.com or by calling 435-750-5999 and selecting option 3.